Hi there, Ezzy from Webex Events here. In this video, I'll go over the available metrics related to the livestream feature and the live streams within agenda sessions. With built-in engagement tools like chat, polling, and custom tabs, live streams offer a professional and powerful opportunity to connect with your attendees in a very impactful way, and there are several metrics we can pull to experience this in action. The Exported Video Analytics report displays a key metric, total duration. This is the total number of minutes each attendee watched each live stream, even if they had to leave and rejoin the session. When continuing education credits are one of the selling points for your event, the total duration metric becomes invaluable, as this is the metric you'll use to award these credits. Another cool metric is clicks in the feature comparison chart for your livestream feature. This is the number of times the attendees clicked on the session itself, whether the livestream was live or not. This metric gives insight into the level of engagement attendees had with the session, including reading the session description, viewing external links like speakers or sponsors, or even using the chat option. Keep in mind, this is a measure of engagement with the feature itself rather than an indication of the number of attendees who ultimately joined your livestream. If the livestream was tied to a session, you can find the Join Livestream number in the Agenda tab of the Feature Comparison chart. This number represents how many attendees clicked the Join Livestream button that appears 15 minutes before the session begins and disappears when the session is scheduled to end. Before we go, it's important to note that Webex Events may not be able to capture activity for attendees who are viewing the session on the web experience in a private browser window, or if their browser has an ad blocker. Be sure to check out our knowledge base for more information.